Last week I ordered a mystery box from Glossybox, and I assume it will be leftover things that they have from other monthly boxes, but let's have a look. Maybe we have some good deal in this box. So let's have a look. So I already can see that it comes in a sort of tie-up bag. Let's have a look. Okay, so it comes in with this green bag that you can tie up. Could be like a makeup bag or like a, probably just a makeup bag really. Let's see what's inside. Spot patches, that's like yet another one that I got. 32 dots from a brand Youth Lab. Next thing is Mitchell and Peach English flowers. That's luxury hand cream. 60 mils, decent packaging. So if it's not closed, then maybe you can have a... No, it is closed. Okay, it's sealed. So moving on. This is Give Them Lala Beauty. It's cream blush. I'm not sure if Give Them Lala is the name. Yeah, Give Them Lala Beauty, it seems, is the brand name. And that's the blush. It's like a cream consistency. Color is quite deep, pinkish red. 2 grams of that blush. I'm gonna have to check what kind of brand it is because I don't know them. And there we have Rhodial Salicylic Acid Cleanser. Lift and Illuminate. 20 mils. This is quite a good brand. It's good value, I think, for the price of the whole box. I think it's already good price with this being there. And Jacket Black eyebrow gel, brow seal. So look how it looks inside. Okay. Just this little sort of brush to laminate your eyebrows. So this is like a color. It's probably without the color. 12 mils. Yeah, that was the last product. Okay, so we have a makeup bag. Have the cleanser, the eyebrow seal, the blush, hand cream, and patches. 5 to 6 items for £13.50. I know that this is a really good brand. I think this is quite a good brand as well. I don't know the other ones. I'm gonna have to check them and let you know if they're worth it. So Glossybox seems to think that this is worth over £50. The hand cream alone retails at £20. The blush retails at around £20. The eyebrow seal is around £11. Rhodial cleanser is around £8, and the patches £3.80. So we do get a retail value of around £62, £63. However, with shipping, my box cost me £16.50. But I found afterwards that on TikTok shop, Glossybox was selling the same exact box for £10.99. So I could have saved a £5 here. So I would advise you to check their TikTok shop for any offers before buying. Of course, I didn't know that my mystery box will be their March box. But if it looks like they are selling quite a lot of one item, there's a high chance that it will be the mystery one. But not all is lost, because while buying from Glossybox, I was able to get an offer from their partners. I chose an offer from Groom to get a free skincare set for just a shipping cost of $4.95. So here it is. And this set consists of sunscreen, lip oil and after sun bar, and is valued at £37 by Groom. I would say it's worth a fiver for sure. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like and subscribe, and watch my other beauty unboxings from the link. Thanks a lot!